Here at Montana Gift Corral, we wrap a lot of presents. How do we handle year-round wrapping? We asked our downtown store manager, Mary, for some tips and tricks on how she wraps so many presents. First, she chooses a box. Different sizes obviously work better with different presents. Open up the box, grab your gift, and make sure it fits inside your box snugly. Using a little bit of tissue paper in the box will help make the gift look that much better on the inside. Fold the paper to where it will fit inside the box comfortably. Next, add your gift to the box. The gift paper will wrap around the gift completely, as you can see in these two different examples. We love adding a custom touch by adding one of our gift corral stickers to the paper on the front. Finally, close up the box, and then now it's time to choose your favorite wrapping paper. The favorite trick that Mary taught us was to place the box upside down in the paper, that way the seams will be on the bottom. For quick wrapping, Mary simply does a fold, and then a tuck. You can see closely here in the video. This is a very quick and easy technique to help wrap many presents. Alright, watch your fold one more time. It's a fold, and then a tuck. And voila, the present is wrapped. Now it's time to choose our ribbon. Mary does an incredible job at matching the colors of the ribbon with the wrapping paper. She simply wraps the present with a ribbon and then ties a few nice bows on top, keeping it simple and clean. Now we have a gorgeous gift that we can put underneath our tree. Thank you for watching our tips and tricks on how to wrap presents quickly, and I hope you stop by our downtown store to get some presents wrapped by Mary and her team.